Hi there, this is actually my first time recording a video where I'm sharing both my screen and my face. So let's see how it goes. My main purpose of this video is pre-processing of a dataset using Excel. I'll be working with the dataset of medical suppliers. This regular CSV file had over 63,000 records, but to show basic cleaning and pre-processing, I created this sample of 1,000 rows. For that task, I have used Python notebook, which I will share later in my GitHub repository. For now, let's walk through the cleaning and standardizing this sample using only Excel. We will fix inconsistent names, numbers, and different formats. We will input missing values. We basically will make this data ready for analysis. So let's jump in. To make our video smaller, I have set required formulas in a text file. We will be applying those formulas in relevant columns. Let's begin with the cleaning process. We will first work with our provider ID columns. We'll ensure there is no empty or duplicate IDs. I had introduced some random duplicates and intentionally I did that for this sample cleaning. So yeah, okay, data tab, remove duplicates. We will select continue with current selection, remove duplicates, and yes, on the provider ID. Yes, 10 duplicates values found and removed. So okay, let's see where, because I have introduced some duplicates at the bottom. So yep, these are the duplicates I just removed. So we don't need this because each provider should have a unique ID. Okay. Yep. Then we will handle missing or inconsistent business names on this column B. For this, we will let's take another column. As name, we can write it like clean. Then we will apply the formula. Yes. Then we will apply for whole column. And this formula fills the blanks with missing and standardize the business names. Now we will copy this column and paste only values here. Yes. Then we will clean practice address column. For that, let's get another column. Practice address clean. Yes. Then we will apply the formula here. And we will apply the whole column. Yes. So now we will copy the entire column and we will paste it here as values. So yes. Then similarly we will do it for practice city. We will take another column name practice city. Clean. Then we will apply the formula. And let's do it again. And we will copy this again. Paste in here. Yes, values. Okay. So here we can see state column, some of the codes are in lowercase. Let's fix them. We will have column state clean. Yes, so we will apply the formula. Yes, and we will do it for the entire column. Yes, let's copy and paste as values. Yes, we will clean cheat code column later. Let's move to the telephone number column, because sometimes these numbers appear in scientific notation. I don't know if that happened to this dataset, but we can try. Or missing values we cannot impute randomly, but yes, you see scientific notation. So we will put, let's format this, format cells and number decimal 0, then okay. Let's move to expired at first. We will have let's format this date, then it should be year, month and date. Yes, then let's create another column to check the status. A column name expiry status. Yes, let's apply the formula here. Here, expiring soon. Okay, from today. So it's taking the nearest dates. Okay, so this supplied medicine or other materials, those are good to use, but other things are expiring soon. And we can have some other conditional formatting. For that, we'll go to home, then here, cells, and we will go text contents. We will type expiring soon. Then yes. Okay, let's check the price column. Price should be numeric. Let's format it. Format cells, then currency, then this replaces 2. Yes, then yes, 2. Then we will have again conditional formatting. Cells greater than, we will fix 450. Price more than 450, dark red. Yes, and others are less than 450. Yep. So we can see many suppliers are from unknown region. So we will set their status. Let's write state status or region status. Okay. Status. Yes. So we will apply here for unknown, missing, and known. This is the formula, and this is known. And it's written here it's known. This will be unknown. We apply this status for the entire column. Okay. Most of them are missing, and we will apply conditional formatting here. Cells and text that contains. Let's say we will have missing. We'll make them red. Oops. Or we can do another thing which would look better. We will text that contain, yes. We will known. We will make them green. Yes, it looks good. We will finish finish our preprocessing with chip code. Let's take a column and name it practice clean. Yes, and first let's format it as text. Text, yes. Okay, then we'll apply the formula here. Yes, and apply to the entire column. Then we will copy it, paste it as values, then make it number. Yes, we have done changing the chip code as we intended. Yes, we have done it. Now we will remove unnecessary columns. So this one, city clean, practice address we already added, deleted, businessman clean. Yes, we will also delete this. Yes, and yeah, we are nearly done. So we are done with our preprocessing. We've cleaned all the columns and updates are saved. So other preprocessing or further analysis we will have in our Python script, or we will be using notebook files. For now, take care and bye.